Hey, good food lovers, get ready for something mouth-watering. Today we're making easy oven-baked ribs with a rich garlicky barbecue sauce that's sticky, glossy, and packed with flavor. Juicy, tender, and fall off the bone good. These ribs are proof that you don't need a grill to make something incredible. Let's get started. 4 pounds of pork ribs. Baby back or spare ribs both work beautifully. Trimming off any loose fat or unwanted bits to get a neat, even piece ready for seasoning. Now, drizzle over 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That's what helps the seasoning stick and gives those edges a perfect caramelized finish. Sprinkle over the dry rub. 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of paprika, half a teaspoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of cracked black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder for a little kick. Rub the seasoning all over the ribs, both sides, until they're completely coated. Cover the tray with foil and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Low and slow. That's the secret to getting them melt in your mouth tender. During the last few minutes of baking, prepare the sauce. In a bowl, mix together 2 cups of barbecue sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, half to 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper for optional heat, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. Stir until everything's combined. Remove the ribs from the oven, discard the foil, and spread the tops with that sticky barbecue sauce mixture. Turn the oven up to 460 degrees Fahrenheit or 240 degrees Celsius and return the ribs uncovered for another 10 minutes. For that perfect glossy finish, switch to broil or grill mode for the last few minutes. This lightly chars and caramelizes the edges. Once done, let the ribs rest for about 10 minutes so the juices settle back into the meat. And that's it. Tender, juicy, finger-licking ribs you'll want to make again and again. If you love easy, flavor-packed recipes like this, make sure to hit subscribe and join our community of good food lovers.